Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix snapshot effects or filters easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the snapshot app right here and then click on this force stop and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all these options are enabled right here. After that, click on the storage or the internal storage and then click on clear data and clear cache. When you click on these two options, all the data is gonna be cleared like this, as you can see. Go back and then click on the power usage details. On this page, or what you want to do is click down here on force stop, and after that, all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.